With collaboration for Plant 3D using Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro, team members can work efficiently together and access the centrally stored plant project data. Once the project administrator has set up the collaboration space, added team members, and set the appropriate permissions, the project members can then start work, sharing their data as the project progresses. The P&ID drafter, for example, will share the P&ID schematics to the project, and the piping designer will then create the 3D piping model using the shared P&ID data as a guide. Other members of the project team, using the shared piping model, will then generate the necessary ortho and ISO drawings, including, as well as other documentation, bills of materials, which are then also shared to the project. At any time during the development of the project, the design reviewers can check the progress of the project and then assign tasks as part of the review process to other members of the team in order to rectify any issues that may arise. The project manager can obtain an instant overview of the project status, gaining valuable insight into the progress of the various designs and how the collaborators are progressing. The project manager can also drill down into the project to examine the detail of any issues and, if necessary, interact directly with them. Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro also provides the ability to federate separate models in order to coordinate designs from multiple disciplines and to access additional tools such as clash detection. Collaboration for Plant 3D using Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro gives you the power to extend project data to all stakeholders for greater visibility and more informed decision-making.